Hi y'all, it's Kim with Chuchi Kalori. I've had a lot of requests to show exactly how I turn my painted records into a decorative bowl. So today we're going to look at that. This is a painting that I did. I think I called it Aurora Borealis. We just applied our paint to our base coat, which is our house paint. Put the cell activator on, make a few enhancements. If y'all are liking my content, I really appreciate it. Appreciate you being here and watching. Trying to grow my channel. Seems to be starting to get a lot of interest, and I sure appreciate that. I really enjoy making the videos. So as you can see on some of these, I'm applying the cell activator directly to the palette knife and then putting some acrylic paint on top of that and then doing the swipe. This allows me to put certain colors in certain places and to have just a little bit more control over the composition. I mean, it's always a surprise anyway, but I enjoy it. Remember, this is abstract art, so you can do it any way you like to do it, whatever colors you like to do, how you see the composition. Just bring out your creativity. Have fun with it. And maybe one more enhancement and I think we're done. We're going to give it a good spin. Pop those bubbles with the torch. And look at those gorgeous colors. Beautiful cells. Those look like the aurora. So I'm going to, when this is dry, give it a couple days, then I'm going to apply a spray varnish top coat. This is going to seal and protect it and gives it a nice shine as well. All right, now we're going to turn it into a bowl. When all that's completely dry, I use my oven. I use 175 Fahrenheit. Use any kind of oven-safe material, that metal colander. I put freezer paper in between and just lay the record centered right on there. Pop that in the oven. Now I use 4 minutes, but you keep an eye on it because all ovens are different, records are different thicknesses. You don't want it to get too melted. Just as it's starting to fall down here and the edges are starting to crinkle, where it's malleable. I just use a bowl that's covered in that freezer paper again and press it right down in the center. So you want to be soft enough that you can do this, but not too soft that the whole thing melts. Now you want to keep a little bit of pressure on that until it cools down enough to get hard again. Little edges will tulip up to make the bowl. Checking the stiffness. And there it is. Beautiful. I'm just going to put it on the counter and put that bowl back in there to make sure I get a nice flat bottom on that bowl. I want it to sit flat. Again, apply some pressure there. I sure appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think. If you want to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I sure appreciate it. Ciao!